Welcome to Automaster, your go-to channel for everything cars. Today I'm excited to present the all-new 2025 Ford F-100. This truck not only revives a legendary name from Ford's storied past, but also introduces a fresh design, advanced technology, and performance that is sure to turn heads on the road. Whether you're a long-time fan of Ford trucks or just discovering the thrill of pickup power, the 2025 F-100 has something to offer everyone. The Ford F-100 holds a revered position in automotive history, and with its return, Ford is bridging the gap between tradition and modern innovation. Originally introduced in the 1950s, the F-100 was celebrated for its robust performance and stylish design. Now, in 2025, Ford is taking that legacy forward by blending classic aesthetics with contemporary engineering. The result is a truck that honors its heritage while embracing the future of automotive technology. The new F-100's exterior design is an artful blend of classic lines and futuristic elements. Its bold grille, reminiscent of its vintage ancestors, has been updated with modern touches to create an aggressive, commanding presence. The LED headlights provide crisp illumination and distinctive styling, further enhancing the truck's dynamic look. Muscular body lines and sculpted fenders add a sense of strength and durability, ensuring the F-100 stands out on every road. Every detail, from the streamlined side mirrors to the carefully designed wheel options, has been meticulously crafted to capture the spirit of the original F-100 while pushing design boundaries. Ford has engineered this truck with a lightweight yet durable aluminum body construction that improves fuel efficiency and enhances overall performance. The F-100 is available in several bed lengths, allowing you to choose the perfect configuration for work, recreation, or everything in between. Innovative features like the Pro Power onboard system transform the truck into a mobile generator, making it an ideal companion for job sites or outdoor adventures. At the rear, sleek LED taillights, an integrated tailgate step, and optional power tailgate functions combine practicality with style, making loading and unloading both efficient and enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 F-100 offers a range of powertrain options designed to meet diverse driving needs. For those seeking a balance of power and efficiency, Ford provides a turbocharged EcoBoost V6 engine that delivers impressive torque and smooth acceleration. Traditional enthusiasts can opt for a naturally aspirated V8, offering that unmistakable roar and classic performance that has defined American trucks for decades. The most exciting option is the all-electric variant, which leverages Ford's latest advancements in battery technology. With an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge and rapid charging capabilities, the electric F-100 delivers instant torque, quiet operation, and an eco-friendly alternative without sacrificing power. Performance is a cornerstone of the F-100's design. An advanced suspension system ensures a smooth, comfortable ride on highways while maintaining the capability to tackle rough terrains with ease. Ford's engineering team has fine-tuned the chassis for improved handling and stability, whether you're navigating urban streets or exploring off-road trails. For those who require towing capability, advanced trailer assist features simplify the process, allowing you to handle heavy loads with confidence and precision. Inside, the cabin is a testament to Ford's commitment to modern comfort and technology. A large touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running the latest version of Ford's Sync infotainment system. This system offers intuitive controls, seamless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates to keep you connected on the go. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, while high-quality materials throughout the interior create a refined atmosphere. Comfort is prioritized with available heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof that invites natural light, and multiple USB-C charging ports to ensure your devices remain powered during every journey. Safety is also paramount in the F-100. Equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, the truck features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. These state-of-the-art systems work together to provide an elevated level of safety, whether you're driving through busy city streets or venturing off the beaten path. The 2025 Ford F-100 is a versatile and dynamic truck designed to meet a wide range of needs. Whether you're in search of a reliable work truck, an off-road adventure vehicle, or a cutting-edge electric pickup, the F-100 stands ready to exceed expectations. Its powerful performance, innovative technology, and timeless design combine to make it one of the most compelling trucks of the year, offering a vehicle that honors its past while looking boldly toward the future. What do you think about the Ford F-100? Are you excited about its modern features, or do you miss the classics? Share your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to Auto Master for more reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.